Sabay na tatanan ko, isa lang kung chicken.
Gusto ka aban sa ako? Hmm?
Morning, everyone. So we're heading to Bonga Cove. It's
Yeah.
in Manay, and let's just see what this Bonga Cove
Yeah.
has something to offer to us. So the road is kind of difficult, but most likely hikers would love and would have to enjoy this kind of ambience, or what we call the location. It's actually very different from the particular place that we're supposed to go somewhere and to have fun.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. Love is all we'll ever try.
There's a bird.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Come here, Jaden.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Oh my God.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Oh my God, ang glutathione ani ron.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
Time to vacate. What can you say about your stay here in our...
We're ready to go now. Actually, I'm gonna miss this place. I really had a nice time.
Kung saan na sila pagtabok diha?
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. God bless.